Hello friends. For all the people who use logarithm, there is a big question that what if antilog of a number comes negative. So in my this video I am going to show you the solution of that. So suppose you have got x is equal to 19.878 into 10 to the power minus 17 into 0.6 divided by 589.6 into 589. So taking logarithm both sides, we got log x equals to log 19.878 plus log 10 to the power minus 17 plus log 0.6 minus log 589.6 minus log 589. So the values of this log 19.878, log 10 to the power minus 17 and these three, you will get it from the log table. See, this is the log table. Here you can get all the values like 19.878, 589.6. No. After putting the values, we have got this. Instead of log 19.878, we have put 1.2983 and we have put it all the values. After adding and subtracting this, we have got log x equals to minus 21.461. Then according to formula it will be x is equal to antilog minus 21.4641. Now what we have to do is to subtract this number, subtract minus 21.461 from the next whole number. The next whole number from 21 is 22. So we have to subtract 21.4641 from 22. That is, let us make a rough subtraction. See, it comes 0.5359. So now it will become antilog 0.5359 into 10 to the power minus 22. See, the number from which we subtracted this number will come here and its power will be of negative. See, 21, we subtracted 21.4641 from 22, so it will come here minus 22. Now the antilog 0.0359, we can find its value using log table. See, here is antilog table. Now 0.53, where is 53? 535 3428 5359, it is 7. So 3428 plus 7, we have got 3435. So 3.435 into 10 to the power minus 22. This is the answer. So if antilog of a number comes negative, then this is the solution. The number, we have to subtract it from the next whole number. Like it's 21.4641, we have to subtract it from 22, and then 22 will become 10 to the power minus 22, and that decimal number from subtraction will have to find out the antilog of that, and that will be the answer. If you like my video, don't forget to share and subscribe my channel.